Hello, welcome to my PowerPoint presentation on the innovations development process. There are 6 stages to the innovation process. They are needs and problems, research, basic and applied, development, commercialization, diffusion, innovation, and consequences. To identify future dilemmas or necessities, we must perceive future outcomes, prioritize high social events, and pay attention to existing research. To identify future dilemmas or necessities, we must understand the problem, or the needs that need to be addressed. You must think of yourself as the customer, use observations and surveys and existing research and data. Step 2 is understanding research, whether basic or applied. What is technology? It is created for influencing action. It contains hardware, which is the equipment, and software, which is information. Information is produced through scientific and practical methods. The methods for collecting information on technology is applied and basic research methods. The 2 methods are used for different reasons. Basic research is done with no objective in mind, while applied research is used to solve practical problems, which later lead to the development process of the innovation. These methods are concentrated on the innovation process, which forms the S-shaped curve. The S-shaped innovation curve begins with early innovation adapters and keep climbing upward, developing a S-shaped curve until the innovation can no longer be diffused. The development phase puts new ideas into form. When companies decide to diffuse an innovation, it is because it is the most profitable and not necessarily the most practical. These reasons are shaped by social factors, using 3 levels of technology. In the commercialization stage is where manufacturing, packaging, marketing and distribution occur. This is when the idea goes from research to product. Social factors influence the production and commercialization of the product. Sometimes 2 similar products are marketed together. This is called technology clusters. Now that the product is developed, how do we get it from developing to diffusion? Who are the gatekeepers, who control the flow of information? Every innovation has a different gatekeeper. For example, agriculture is diffused through a different channel than medical. This is done through clinical trials, experimental testing to see the efficacy, safety, and other issues of the product. This is done through sciences, practitioners, and consumers, also known as consensus development. Consequences is the final stage of the innovation development process. These consequences change individuals and the communities that use the innovation. It is believed that an innovation should be diffused for the greater equality of the community. The final stage traces the innovation process through different projects. A famous project that traced the innovation process is Project Hindsight, which found that applied science is better used to measure technology. Other innovation tracer projects found that basic scientific research results will have to age before it. The shortcomings of the tracer projects are that some only look backwards and others only forward. The data is also limited. The future of the research and development process of innovations will look closely at agenda, impact, socio-economic consequences, and key relationships among organizations. Thank you for watching my PowerPoint presentation on the innovations development process. I hope you enjoyed it.